Hi friends, today we'll be discussing about vacuum box leak test defect identification. So we are doing the vacuum box leak test of a storage tank of fillet joint. So before that we have to thoroughly clean the weld joint and we have to pour the soap solution, and with the help of vacuum box we are uh, sealing the vacuum box thoroughly, and with the help of vacuum pump we are pressurizing the vacuum pressurizing inside the box due to the differential pressure, and we have to maintain the pressure of from 5 to 15 psi. Once pressure is maintained, differential pressure is maintained, the leakage portion will be seen like this. Air bubble will be developed. So that inside that vacuum box, so this area leak is there. So this area, after vacuum box test, we have to grind and saw that there is a weld defect inside the fillet joint. So this area need to be rectified and rewelding and again vacuum box test to be done. Thank you.